In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in Renderforest video. We'll start right at the beginning so you can follow along smoothly. Open your browser and head to the Renderforest homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in so you can access your projects. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Projects section in the main navigation. This is where all your saved videos live and where you can pick up an existing project to add music. Inside Projects, choose the video you want to work on and select Edit. That opens the video editor. Give it a second to load your timeline and tools. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a panel of options. Click Audio. This is the dedicated area for everything sound related in your project, and it's where you'll be able to attach background music to your video. Here you have two simple paths. If you already have a song you've created or licensed, you can upload it directly from your computer. Just make sure the file is a common format and that you have the rights to use it. If you don't have a track ready, use the built-in music library. It's organized by moods and genres, so you can quickly find something that fits the tone of your video. For this walkthrough, let's use the cinematic category as an example. Cinematic tracks are great for trailers, intros, or anything that needs a dramatic lift. Open that category and browse a few options. You can preview tracks to get a feel for their tempo and intensity before committing. When you've found a track that matches the energy of your video, it's time to add it. To place the music into your project, click the plus button next to the track. Renderforest will add the song to your timeline under your visuals. The platform handles fitting the track to your project's length, so you can focus on how it complements the scenes. If you change your mind, just choose another track and use the same plus button to replace it. As you listen, pay attention to how the beats line up with key moments in your video, like transitions or title reveals, so the story and the soundtrack work together. And that's it. You've gone from opening your project to selecting a category, auditioning music, and adding it to the timeline with a single click. Use this process anytime you want to refresh the vibe of your video or test different moods. Thanks for watching and enjoy elevating your Renderforest projects with the right audio.